Tonight, the Teller County Sheriff is voicing concerns over at least one new Colorado gun law.
Sheriff Jason Mikesell posted a lengthy statement on Facebook about gun rights today, telling his constituents he will make sure those rights are protected. Chief Investigative Reporter Chelsea Brensel is live outside the Teller County Sheriff's office in Divide tonight after speaking one-on-one with the sheriff. Chelsea.
Sheriff Jason Mikesell tells me several concerned community members have contacted his office wanting to know his position on new gun laws passed in Colorado. He says he thinks lawmakers in the Centennial State are focusing too much on firearms and not enough on the mental health crisis in our state. Early Tuesday morning, Teller County Sheriff Jason Mikesell released this statement on his office Facebook page. The post aimed at making sure Teller County residents understand that both the United States and Colorado Constitution will guide how his deputies enforce gun laws. The post saying in part, "Your right to bear arms is absolute and will not be infringed on by my office, regardless of orders or legislative decrees."
Each time we take another rung off that ladder of people's individual rights and freedoms, I think then that makes it easier for someone later on to challenge what the Second Amendment meant.
The Teller County Sheriff says he has concerns about Colorado's new safe storage of firearms law.
How am I going to enforce it? There's no enforceability with this law. It means something has had to occur to have then us charge somebody, which is already after the fact, and it's usually a tragic accident at that point.
The law, recently signed by the governor, requires firearms to be stored when they are not being used to prevent children or other unauthorized gun users from getting access to them.
I think that maybe they need to step outside of the Denver metro area and maybe have discussions with law enforcement first, instead of going straight to a legislator to create laws that are now making everyone a criminal, that don't observe their opinions or want to go forward with a law that's just ridiculous to try to enforce, such as gun laws.
Aside from gun storage in a home, the new law requires licensed gun dealers in Colorado to include a locking device with each firearm they sell. The law goes into effect on July 1st of this year, and violations of it can result in fines or jail time. Reporting live in Teller County, Chelsea Brensel, KRDO News Channel 13.